Hello friends, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a page border in your Word document. Whether you're working on an assignment, a certificate, or just want to add some style to your document, this feature is super handy and easy to use. So let's get started. First, open your document and head straight to the Design tab at the top of your screen. Once you're there, look to the far right. You'll see an option called Page Borders. Go ahead and click on it. That will bring up the Borders and Shading window. Make sure you're on the Page Border tab. From here, you can start customizing. Select Box if you want a simple, clean border all around your page. You'll notice there are different border styles to choose from, like dashed lines, dotted lines, double lines, and even more creative options like triple borders. If you want to personalize it further, you can change the color of the border. Just pick your favorite color and watch the preview window update in real time. You can also adjust the width, which basically controls how thick or thin your border will appear on the page. Now here's something fun. Under the Art section, you'll find some decorative border designs. These include stars, trees, balloons, and other creative styles. These are perfect for projects, party invitations, or anything where you want to add a touch of flair. Once you've customized your border the way you want it, look at the Apply To dropdown. Since we want this border to appear on every page in the document, we'll select Whole Document. That ensures the border wraps around all the pages, not just the first one. When you're happy with the settings, click OK. And just like that, your page border is applied. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor. Click that like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more helpful Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments section. I'm always here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.